Hello everyone, myself Vikas Goyal, Senior Solution Architect at Zensar Technologies. Today I am going to talk about the solution that we have built into Zensar Technologies called SafeTig. This solution is going to help infrastructure companies, utility companies, oil and gas, telecom to provide the insight about their underground infrastructure. This solution is going to reduce the workload from the field engineers and provide them underground insights to launch new services and maintain existing services. The solution is built using robotic process automation, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Please visit us at booth 576 at AWS reInvent 2023 to know more details about the solution.